Hey guys, John the Pilot doing an update on part 4 to the Verizon 5G gateway. Since it only had 2 Ethernet ports on the back, I'm adding a Gigaport switch. And this one's by NETGEAR, and it's supposed to be plug and play and be real easy to set up so I can expand it and use my existing Ethernet connections and network settings. So let's check it out. There's a link in the description below if you are interested. Thank you for watching. First, I needed to figure out some placement for the Gigaport switch, and I ripped off the little rubber tabs in the back to make sure I could use the 3M strips. Of course, it needs its power supply. These things are awesome for cord management. I recommend you get some. Well, it's starting to come together. Just need to clean up all that cordage. Hope it works. Okay, everything looks like it's working. The switch is connected, all the lights are blinking. Looks like it was pretty easy for the swap, the plug and play. My wife is actually downstairs in the office on her computer. She hasn't yelled at me, so I think it was pretty seamless. So we'll see. We're gonna go look and see if it works. So we are now hooked up to that switch. NETGEAR's hooked up to it. This is our office computer running a speed test. Yeah, that's from the Verizon 5G gateway through the Gigaport. Now I have multiple Ethernet switches and it's working at 300 megs. Upload speed is awesome as well. Oh, you know what's awesome? Is when something works for a change. Thank you so much, Verizon. Thank you. These things are awesome for cord management. I'm going to take care of make that little area up in my closet look a little better with these. They also work great outside. I'm gonna put a link in the description below if you wanna try them. So here's a little bit more of a finished product using those 3M wire hanging command strips. I got a Gigaport switch now. I've got all 3 of my Ethernet ports running through the house, no problem. Absolutely useless coaxial cable now. But I do have 2 more things that I could wire and possibly figure out how to use these throughout the house as well. I don't know. We'll figure out what I'll do with those. But yeah, a little bit better cord management. Man, I can't believe this thing has been working out that well. I'm absolutely shocked and paying 25 bucks a month. That's outstanding. All right, guys, big no-no. I know for a bunch of you, you're like, you can't do a Wi-Fi. It's not accurate. Well, anyway, I got my iPad hooked up to the NETGEAR, which is hooked up to the Gigaport, which is hooked up to the Verizon, and I'm running a speed test so we can see what the results are. Well, that's not bad. I'm getting up to 180, 190. Go, baby, go. That's awesome. So even with it splicing through all that stuff, we're getting well over 200 megabits a second. And the upload speeds 13, 14. It's awesome, man. Plug and play. Super, super simple. I'm so glad I got that. Now, instead of having just those 2 ports that came with the actual Verizon gateway, I'm up to a total of 4 with that switch up there. So I can run the Ethernet through my whole house. Awesome. That sums up the part 4 to the Verizon 5G gateway and me making some more Ethernet ports out of it using a Giga switch from NETGEAR here. Totally plug and play, super easy. Links down below in the description, and also how I cleaned up the rat's nest I have in my closet using the 3M command strips. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much if you subscribe. Please shoot me some comments down below. I would love to answer questions or get some ideas from you guys. As always, please have a great night, great day, great year. Thank you again for everything. John the Pilot. See ya.